What's up, family? So I'm doing an unboxing today, okay? And I'm really excited, okay? So I need you guys to take part in me unboxing this beautiful package that I've received from Rose Forever for Mother's Day. All right, so here we go. Let's get into it. All right, so all right, here's the box. It was easily sent to me or whatever. So I'm excited. Right. And y'all, I'm excited. Sam loves flowers. All right. Oh my God, y'all. It is a marble box. Ooh, so pretty. Y'all see that? Ooh, yeah. All right. I love. Let me make it all nice and pretty real quick. Guys, oh my goodness. It's so pretty. For Mother's Day, y'all. Shout out to Rose Forever. I absolutely love these. My daughter also got some. You'll be able to see her unbox as well. But thank you, Rose Forever. And y'all, if you want some beautiful roses for any type of occasion, go ahead. Reach out to Rose Forever. All right? I love y'all. Look at this. It was so pretty. Yeah. Oh, no.
You're my teacher?
No.
What is this?
What's in there? Be careful, be careful.
What is that?
Oh, I don't know. Be careful.
Ooh, sounds comfy cozy.
Oh, wow.
What's in here?
It's purple flowers. It's special purple flowers that don't die for a year. It's the special kind. Wow.
Who's getting it?
Yeah.